Hey, what's up? It's Chris Heria. Welcome to the vlog. As I mentioned in the last video, we're gonna continue the home workout series. And for today, we're gonna be burning fat at home with this abdominal workout. Yes, we're gonna be burning fat throughout our whole entire body, which includes our belly fat. So let's start burning some belly fat today with this routine. And one of the best ways to burn fat is to start sweating. So we're gonna take as minimal rest as possible to make sure that we keep that heart rate up and keeping high intensity throughout the entire workout routine. So if you're ready to get started, jump on the phone, open the Heria Pro app, schedule the burn belly fat at home workout routine, and let's go ahead and get started. And of course, if you don't have the Heria Pro app, go ahead and download it right now on the Apple Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. All right, so getting right into this routine, for the warm-up, we have jumping jacks and 50 push-ups for a total of 2 sets. And of course, if you want to check your form, or if you're not sure how to do the move, go ahead and watch the video. Perfect, so we're gonna go for 60 jumping jacks and then 50 push-ups, 2 sets. Let's go for it.
Heria music.
All right, let's go right into the push-ups. Quick 50. If you need to break them up into 10s, 25s, or even if you need to do them on your knees, let's get those 50. Here we go. Keep the form.
Heria music.
I think that was a little more, but we got some extra credit in there. So let's go ahead, check those right off, and input how many reps you actually did. All right, so I got one more round of that. We're gonna get right into this workout routine. All right, now we got our heart rate up. Just finished the warm up. The first move is gonna be L-sit kicks, and then the second move is gonna be knee raises. So if you don't know what that looks like, go ahead, click on the video. Now we're ready to get started. So for this exercise, I have 2 chairs side by side. We're gonna go ahead and do some L-sit kicks. Now the most important thing is to support your body with your arms, keeping your core tight. And the goal is to try to kick straight into a horizontal line, 90 degrees, and L-sit. But if you can't yet bring your legs that high, just do it as high as you can. But let's finish those reps. Let's go right into it. That last one. Whew. All right. Now remember what I said, we want to take as minimal rest as possible to make sure our heart rate is up. So if you need to go ahead and take a breath, take a second to catch your breath, and then let's go right into these knee raises. Start off the same way, knees up, and down in front of you. Whew. All right, so we're gonna be done with these chairs for now. Let's go ahead, check those moves, how many you did. All right, next move we have is switching mountain climbers. Let's get right into it. Here we go. If you're feeling fatigued, you don't have to go that fast, try to go slow, but don't stop whatever you do. If you can, try to get your knee all the way to your elbow.
Heria music.
Whew. All right, moving on. Input how many we did. Next we have crucifix. All right, let's go ahead, go for 20. So out like a cross, come in, touch the heels, come back out. Make sure to get a full extension in your legs and in your arms to really activate your abdominals. Last ones, go hard. Whew. All right, we are getting through this. I'm starting to feel it now. Let's go ahead, check that one off. Next we have plank, side holds, reach through. Let me show you guys what that looks like. You're gonna go into a side plank. From this side plank, you're gonna go ahead, reach through your body, try to touch the wall on the other side, then come right back up. Let's go for 10 on each side. Whew. All right. Great job for all of you hanging in there. So the last two moves of round one is gonna be plank, knees to elbows, and then it's gonna be star crunches. Let's get right into it. Let's get into plank. Your knees all the way to your elbows. Back down. Again, if you're feeling fatigued, go slow, but don't stop. And if you still got more energy, increase the intensity. Remember to regulate your breathing as well and engage your core. Tighten and squeeze your core as hard as you can while you're doing these exercises. All right, last ones. Don't stop. Star crunches.
Area music.
All right, that was round one. Let's go ahead and check that off. Plank knees to elbow, done. Star crunches, done. And that is round one. So we have 3 more rounds to go. That's gonna complete this workout routine. And as you can see, this workout is highly effective. I'm already dripping in sweat, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish this routine off. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, definitely smash that like button and come back to this video each week to make sure that you're burning fat and training your abdominals from home. Or just open up the Harrier Pro app and schedule the Burn Belly Fat at Home workout for your next routine. And for full access to all my personal workout routines and the Harrier Pro app, go to harrierpro.com and become a member. Not only are you gonna get my personal workouts that I post on a daily and weekly basis, but you're also gonna get access to my workout generator, which creates workouts and workout programs catered just for you and your fitness goals, Chris Harrier style. It's like having me as a personal trainer right in your pocket. Don't forget to comment down below what you want the next video to be about. I have one last video for you guys that's gonna end the home workout series, uploading next Thursday at 2 p.m. USA Eastern Time. And like always, if you comment within the first 30 minutes of any upload, you always have a chance to win some free Harrier apparel. And if you want to be prepared for the next video, then go to chrisharrier.com and check out the brand new weight vests that we got. We're going to be doing a weight vest workout from home. And this is definitely how you're going to take your training to the next level anywhere. So pick up a weight vest at chrisharrier.com. Start training like a real beast, not just looking strong, but actually training strong, and start making some major gains. If you guys are enjoying the music, don't forget to follow me over on Spotify. Check me out on iTunes Music and follow me on SoundCloud. Links are in the description. So that wraps up this video. I will see you guys next Thursday, and get ready to work out with me personally, because I'm going to be going around the world in a couple months doing workouts with Chris and workshops with Thenx, and you can check more info on that over at thenx.com/blog/events. And I'll see you guys next Thursday. Mad love. Peace out.
I'ma make this time go rolling.